What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you that today I just became a millionaire. And well, I'm just very excited, but I have something to tell you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you something very funny. At 5 p.m. I became a millionaire. At 8 p.m. I stopped being a millionaire. And at 11 p.m. I became a millionaire again. So that's why I'm not really celebrating, because at any time I can lose 30%, 40% of my portfolio. And if you just got into Cardano right now and it drops 30, 40%, I hope you don't sell. This is not financial advice, but I hope you don't, because I've been showing on my videos on the long run, everything plays out. And Cardano, the only thing that Cardano has is Shelly. Like, there's no contract with the government in Africa. There's no Gauguin released. So there's a lot of potential still. Even, I know this might be some FOMO, but there's like nothing that really works on Cardano besides Shelly. So imagine when everything gets released, I think we're probably gonna go to the moon. And if it drops, just, I hope you don't sell. And if you bought, yeah, one more thing. For all the people that message me and told me that thanks to my videos, you bought Cardano at 40 cents and now you're more than double the money than you invested. Thank you so much. I appreciate those messages, and those make me feel very nice, because I love making money, and if I can make money to other people by showing what I'm doing, that's like 2 times better. So thank you for that. And I'm actually not selling any Cardano soon. Not even at $10. Why? Because the passive income is just extremely good, that I'm probably just gonna live with the passive income and start investing in other types of things with the passive income in the future. And I think like my investment in Cardano is like a safe bet for the future, and I'm probably gonna be fine just living with the passive rewards, and that's why I'm not gonna be selling. I'm very excited for Cardano to just keep going up, and the market cap on Cardano is 28 billion. The market cap on Ethereum is 200 billion. We're like 12.5 of the market cap that Ethereum has. If we go half of the market cap that Ethereum has, Cardano is gonna get almost to $4. And that's very exciting, because imagine the rewards you're probably gonna be getting. I hope a lot of people can be living off only rewards. That's gonna be very interesting, and I'll be very happy for everyone that can do that. And if you have any questions, you can always join my Discord channel. I'll be happy to help you. A lot of people have been asking me questions about the ledger, about Daedalus, about staking. Like, any questions you have, there's no dumb question. Just ask me anything. And if you have Cardano, you can always stake your Cardano in my pool. We've been getting amazing rewards. You can see the overall rewards for the month. It's been 6.5%, and in one epoch we got like 15%. So that's very nice, and we've been getting a lot of delegation. So thank you for that. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate it a lot. And well, I mean, let's just keep making money. I hope your portfolio looks as crazy as I think mine looks, and I hope you don't sell. And remember, this is not financial advice. Sorry, I have to say that. And I'm very excited for everyone, because most of my followers have invested in Cardano, and I know like 99.9% of you are in profits, in a lot of profits. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to tell you that I'm not selling anything, and so you think about that, because a lot of people get excited when they make double, triple the portfolio, and they just want to sell, but they don't see the vision at the long term. They don't see how high Cardano can go and how much utility Cardano can bring to not only Africa, but the whole world. And also, one more thing before I finish this video. And if you're in profit, just remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and as always, thank you for watching.